Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Well, influencing people from different departments is always quite a challenge. So after running one of my influencing workshops, I asked some of the participants what were their concrete action that were going to put in practice. Let's listen to their replies.
I need to know who is part of this committee, who are the members, and if there is a decision maker or somebody who is more powerful. I will try to find out allies, meet them up front, and then they will support me during my discussion.
I would say get to know the profiles of the people, how they like the information to be presented, and present it accordingly.
I would try to gather as much information as I can with regards to the members of the committee, because knowing them and their personalities better, I think I will have a better connection with them and maybe better transfer to them my message.
Lobbying, because I don't really work on this, so I think I will really have to, maybe not direct lobbying, but still knowing how much it is important the decisions taking place outside the meeting rooms.
So before you start, or before you will need to influence people, you have to get ready, you have to get prepared, and you have to define upfront which influencing strategy you would like to apply.